Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the layout file that contains the button you want to change. Once done, pick Design or Text View so you can modify XML or properties. You'll want to confirm the button's ID and the parent container constraints because those determine available space. Make sure to use DP units for consistent sizing across screens. Avoid raw pixels. If the button uses a style, locate that style resource now so you can either override it locally or adjust the shared style. Next, modify the button size attributes directly. Set layout width and layout height to explicit DP values for a fixed size, or use wrap content and adjust padding for intrinsic sizing. Once you change those, consider min width and min height to enforce minimum touch targets. Android recommends 48 dp for accessible tap zones. If the button sits in a linear layout, layout weight can allocate space proportionally. You can also edit or extend a style in styles. XML, so multiple buttons inherit the same sizing rules. Finally, preview changes in the layout inspector and run the app on an emulator or device to verify real behavior. Make sure to test multiple screen sizes and densities so DP scaling works as expected. If changes don't appear, rebuild the project and invalidate caches. Stale resources sometimes persist. If the button overlaps or doesn't respect size, inspect parent constraints, convert to constraint layout for precise control, and add proper constraints. Troubleshooting tip: when sizing fails, look for styles, themes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.